Have you ever noticed how some people go all out for their birthday? Big parties, balloons, social media posts, and others, nothing. No cake, no party, not even a dinner, just another 24 hours. Why? Why do some people treat their birthday like any other day? Is it sadness, maturity, or something deeper in their psychology? For some, it's painful. They don't celebrate because they don't feel celebrated. Imagine nobody remembers your birthday. Friends forget. Family is too busy. You planned something once, but nobody showed up. Over time, your brain adapts. Psychologists call this learned helplessness. Repeated disappointment trains you to stop expecting good things. So the birthday becomes just another day. Not because they don't care, but because caring hurts too much. Then there's another group. People caught in the fast pace of life, work, studies, responsibilities. The birthday arrives, and before they look up, the day is half gone. It's not that they forgot, it's time blindness. When your brain is overloaded, special days stop feeling special. And finally, a third group. They know it's their birthday. They just don't feel the need to celebrate. This isn't loneliness, it's emotional independence. People who tie their self-worth to external validation are often less stable. But those who find validation within don't need a date to feel alive. Psychologists call this self-determination theory. True well-being comes from inner satisfaction. Their mindset? I don't need candles and cake to prove my worth, I already know it. And here's the interesting part. This attitude doesn't stop at birthdays. These people don't crave the spotlight. They don't need constant recognition. They're quietly content. They've trained themselves to see every day as special instead of waiting once a year to feel alive. So whether you throw a huge party or treat your birthday like nothing at all, both reveal something about you. For some, it's pain. For others, priorities. For many, maturity and peace. The real question is, which one are you? Do you need the celebration, or have you already found celebration within yourself? If this made you think differently, hit subscribe and join our Discord community. I'll see you there.